Keeping your pool's chlorine levels properly balanced is essential for clean and safe water. We'll show you how to adjust the chlorine output on the chlorine side of your ProVision. The chlorine side of your ProVision has a handle that lets you control the chlorine output. The settings range from 1 to 6, with 1 being the lowest output and 6 being the highest. To make adjustments, simply grip the handle and turn it to your desired setting. To maintain ideal chlorine levels, adjust the output based on factors like pool size, usage, and weather conditions. Start with a lower setting and gradually increase until the chlorine level is just right for your pool. And that's it. A quick and easy way to adjust the chlorine output on the chlorine side of your ProVision. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other pool maintenance guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy your pool.